Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now I am a little bit quiet right now because I don't want to disturb Rachel, but today we're going to do another speaker video. Now this is a full 5.1 system here. It's got the front left and right. You got the surround left and right. You got the center channel here. You got the sub. Today we're basically going to take all these apart and have a look what drivers they have inside. These ones have funny surrounds on them actually. Very, very funny ones. So yeah guys, let's get started with these ones here, and then we'll move on to the sub, which it will be the last. Let's start off with the center channel here. Okay, so we definitely have a Sony center channel here today. Today we're actually going to have a look inside it. Model number of this is SSCT71 speaker system, magnetically shielded type. Rated impedance 3 ohms. It's made in China as well. Alright, turn the light on just to make it a bit better for you guys. Okay, yeah, let's start taking these things apart, and I'll get back to you as soon as I've taken this thing apart. Alrighty, we undone all the screws. Okay. Oh. What? Yeah, I took it apart and what? Okay. Guys, at first I really thought this was a real port, but no, this is the real port here. This is the fake one. What the heck? And we got the speaker driver. Oh my word, that's weird surround. Look at that. Isn't that weird? I remember blowing some of these up actually, I remember. Sony. Made in China. These actually aren't bad drivers actually. Okay, that's very odd. Hang on guys, I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I'm back. Just had to deal with Rachel, that's all. So yeah, if you actually look at the surround on the speaker, if you actually look, you can actually see it up close like that. It's like that. You can see the front of it, you can see the side and the back. You can see how it's all connected like that. It's got a little bit of tape on there to prevent it from shorting out. So yeah guys, let's pop this all back together and move on to these ones here. I'll get them all there ready, and then at the end we can do the subwoofer. Right, the cover's back on. Let's flip it over and chuck all the screws back in. Alright guys, that's all back together. Let's move on to these two here. The left and right. And we'll do the surround ones next. Alrighty guys, let's do this. There's that cover there. And we've got the speaker itself. Try and get them to fall out onto my hand. Right, we've got the exact same speaker driver as the center channel. Right. Well, so we have this one open, now let's open up this one. Righty guys, this one's taken apart, and this one is too. You see they both have the exact same drivers. But if you look at the covers, I just noticed something different, guys. You look there, look at that one, and then look at that one. Closely, you see that? See a difference there? I don't know what that is about this design here, but still, better keep them together like that. Alright, let's move those to the side there. We've got the screws over there. We'll put them about here. Keep them like that. This is when these ones come in. Keep them in line with the frame. And we got this one here too. We got all in frame. Yep, they're all in frame. Good. We just got these ones to take apart, then that's it, we're good. We already took in this one apart, we already did. We don't need to do that one. So let's just do these ones, then yeah, it should be good. Okay guys, I took this one apart. This one apart here. Take this one apart. It's almost like a production line here with a bunch of speakers like this. And we got this one apart here, guys. Alrighty, speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker 3, speaker 4, speaker 5, we've done those. And we've got speaker 6, the subwoofer. Now this is surround left and right, and front left and right. And as you can see, they're all the same. I'll lift them up like that, just so you guys can get a glimpse of what they actually look like. In the actual enclosures. That's hard. Hang on guys. Hold up, I gotta get a screwdriver and do this. Goodness, this one is hard. This one's been a bit tough today, I can tell you that. Here's how, so you know that's how it's supposed to stand, like that, with the screws in there. Alright, we're going to use a bit of brute force here. Oh, there we go. I got it just like that. Oh. What? It's stuck to a bit of plastic? That's weird. But at least you know which one was actually stuck to the thing because it's got a bit of plastic on the back. But okay. So yeah, as you see, they're actually all the same, basically. All the same serial numbers on the back. And also, I want to show you guys something else. Now, the subwoofer is actually almost like the same as this one here, but this is actually a hybrid version right here. But if you guys look at the sub right here, see, it doesn't normally have that subwoofer that it normally has, like in the front right here, like in the front. Doesn't normally have that. So yeah, basically, right, let's first put these all back together in a fast pace, like time lapse. So let's do that now, guys, and we'll get back to the subwoofer as soon as we can. And this is clip 1. Okay guys, we successfully put all of these ones back together. This is clip 3. Clip 1 was intro, clip 2 was time lapse, and this is clip 3. And we successfully put this one back together as well. So yeah guys, let's now move on to the subwoofer here. Move on to the big gigantic sub. And don't worry about that speaker there. Don't worry about it. Sorry, the camera's a little bit tilted right now. I'm having problems with my tripod. Issues with it. And it's currently 5:05 PM right now. And I'm doing this video almost like at the latest. Now, in order to open up this subwoofer, if you don't know how to open it up like this, simply take a flathead screwdriver and you just do that. It's got these little slits under here. If you see right here, those little slits right there, those are designed for a screwdriver to fit in there. And pretty much just lift up the thing, insert it like that, all the way in. You do that, go along a little bit, I'm gonna pinch my arm, and then carefully lift it up so you don't break the seal that is underneath. And there you go, there's the cover there. Then you have your exposed speaker driver here. And you put the seal right there near the speaker so you don't lose it. So yeah, basically you have a Sony 6.5 inch subwoofer unit here. A lovely, lovely speaker though. That's pretty deep actually. That's rather deep. But anyway, let's go ahead and remove the subwoofer driver. Let's go ahead and remove it. I'll pause the video so you guys don't have to watch through it all the time. Okay, we successfully removed the speaker driver from its enclosure by removing 4 of these Phillips screws from the holes around here. One there, and there, and there. We got 4 of these little things by using a Phillips head screwdriver. This is designed to take Phillips head screws like this, and it will basically turn them just like that. So yeah, we'll place that to the side. Successfully take the driver out. This is the subwoofer unit. This actually makes all the bass frequencies in your music, movies, TV. Anything that these little speakers can't produce, but the subwoofer can. So you'll take over. And also, we get that other speaker driver here that we had earlier. If you put it right to the side there, look, almost the same, but not the cones. The cones are so not the same at all. So I'm just gonna sit it in there for a minute. Apologies guys. And we're going to get this speaker out of its enclosure completely. That means disconnecting the wires, and there's also something rattling in there. Ah, there's a little pretty pink pencil in there. I don't know why, but some kid put it in there or something. Look, a little pink pencil in there, stuck in there. Been shredded up by a dog or something. Okay, that's odd. Anything else in there we should know about? Ooh, smells like MDF in there though. My word, it's a strong smell. Right, and we're actually going to basically flip the speaker over, move that one out of the way, and we'll bring this one in, bend that down a little bit, and basically we're going to do this by, oh, thank you magnet. We're going to do that. Disconnect one wire. One wire is now disconnected. I'm going to disconnect the other one because of the magnet. Do that. Disconnect that. Just like that. And you have your speaker driver. And just to show you that the other one actually fits. It's going to be funny if it actually fits in here. Move that wire out of the way. Oh my word, it actually fits. Look at that guys, it actually fits. That was the one that we actually reviewed earlier. And it fits. How cool was that, eh? Hang on, if we put them side by side. So you got the old one here, the hybrid woofer. That one here. Put them to the side like that. If you look at the magnets like that, you can tell that they're actually both the same. got different spiders on them too. I think the spider on this one is made from Nomex spun lace spider, I think. I don't really know, but I'm not sure if you can actually tell on camera because the color isn't that good, but it's bright yellow in person. If you look at the other one right here, this one's probably made from a different type of material. Probably the same material, but a different type of Nomex that they use in the factory. They also use them on these speakers here too. Speaker drivers on the inside. So yeah guys, basically that's pretty much the end of the video here. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put the subwoofer back together and put it all back in frame, ready for the end of the video. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on post notifications. 5 things you have to do after you watch this video. Watch this video from start to finish, and then you're good. So you got the subwoofer here, you got the front left, got front right, surround left, and the center channel, and again the base unit. Cheers for watching guys, and have a good day.